In production, you're delivering a full encode ladder, multiple encodes, multiple resolutions. BD rate predicts the bitrate savings across the entire ladder, not just at any single point. Now, you can compute BD rate yourself using an Excel plugin, and I show you how to do it here. But it's time consuming, and that's one reason that a lot of practitioners avoid doing it. Here's how to do it in the Streaming Learning Center Bitrate Explorer. Here are the files that we're going to analyze, and you drag in the source file here. Then these are the encoding ladders for AV1 here, X.264 here, and X.265. We drag these in. Now, because we're using 3 different codecs, the tool will sense what the codecs are and automatically sort them by codec. So you don't have to do any additional work in this particular case. If you're doing other types of testing that isn't codec based, you just multiple select the different video files and then type in the group, click set, and that's how you set it there. All we have to do now is click Run Metrics. This will take a while because we're computing VMAF, PSNR, and SSIM. I'll come back when it's ready. And we're done, and click here to see the analysis. So here are the BD rate options. You see VMAF, PSNR, SSIM. This is the rate distortion curve. These are the BD rate calculations. And I've checked these match the Excel plugin that I referenced a few moments ago to a very close extent. And how you read the BD rate table is horizontally, and you look at AV1 as compared to H.264 and HEVC, and this tells you that AV1 can deliver the same quality as H.264 at about a 42% bitrate reduction, same quality as HEVC at 24% bitrate reduction. And red's bad. So with H.264, it would have to increase the bitrate by around 73% to produce the same quality as AV1. And you see the other results here. And the results do change a bit depending on which metric you use. AV1 is always going to be on top, but we see SSIM rating HEVC and H.264 a little bit more closely than we saw with some of the other metrics. You can export the results to Excel for further analysis. Let's see what that looks like. You end up with the rate distortion charts in Excel with different tabs for the different technologies, and the calculations are down here. Or you can export an MD file for human viewing if you just want to take a look and see what the results are for the individual codecs, kind of like what you're seeing here. So that's the BD rate feature. You can download the trial version of Streaming Learning Center Bitrate Explorer at the URL below.